Welcome to the first Nerf from the Ashes Addendum. The first thing I wish to address is the fact that I've already received so many submissions for from the Ashes that I'm not accepting anymore. I've got enough for pretty much the rest of the year already lined up. So, yeah, first come, first serve, that's kind of how it works. If I end up going through them faster than I expected because they turn out to take a lot less time than I expected, so if I end up doing 2 or 3 per episode and I burn through the current submissions, then I will make an announcement when I am accepting additional submissions. So until then, I will just be replying, sorry, I'm already full, to any future ones. So be aware of that. Next, somebody mentioned in the comments that you could in fact 3D print a upgraded catch for the Alpha Trooper on Thingiverse. So I downloaded it and I printed it and I'm going to see if it works at all. I'm somewhat dubious, but I'm willing to test it. The issue that I was having is this section right here is so weak that it actually warps under the weight of this spring load. So we're gonna try it. It lives! Thanks to the 3D printed catch as provided on Thingiverse by lulzbotmini565, link in the description, it now catches and doesn't seem to have any problem priming and firing. It shoots beautifully. There you have it. Let this be a lesson to me about checking Thingiverse for parts. Thank you to all the different people, several people, at least 3 or 4 people, either mentioned that there was a 3D printed catch or actually sent me the link to the 3D printed catch. You all know who you are. Thank you all so much. That is very... Focus! Focus! There we go. That is very helpful, and I very much appreciate when people do things like that because that made this repair possible. So, keep doing things like that. Send me links to STLs and stuff that you think would be useful or that I mentioned that I need, and you're like, but that's already a thing. I very much appreciate that. So, I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching.